Hi, in this video we want to look at adding text to your video. The same way we added pictures and shape to the slide is the same menu that we'll go to add text to the slide. You go to the Insert Text tab, then you go select text box in the text menu. This is it. Then you select on the slide, then you can type whatever that you wanted to type in it. Okay, good. So right now you can see that the text seems to be the same color with the background. So let's quickly change the color to something else, maybe white. Inside the font menu, this is it, the font color, let's take white. Okay, good. So at the same time we can also increase the size by going to the increase font size. So normally for a text like this you could edit between 24 and 36. Okay, it is going to be visible, it's going to be eligible when it is being viewed on any device at all. Okay, but sometimes you need to come down. Maybe when you have a definition you may need to come down as low as 24, but nothing less than 24, please. But it shouldn't be less than 24. Okay, good. So having done this, there is another thing that you can add to enhance your text depending on the particular text or the emphasis. So still under Insert, you can go to the word art. Okay, so when you come to the word art, you can select any style of the word art. Let us just pick this. So for instance, let's say title. Okay, so you see that at the same time you can change the word art style from here. So whatever you want you can do right in here. Good. Then this text as well, the previous one, the normal text that you typed, you could also convert it to word art. Okay, so you could come here, after selecting it you come over to the word style, then you can change whatever is there. But this well, it depends on how it suits your video, but it is suggested or advisable not to use this like you use word art when you have sentences to write, like long sentences or even short sentences. You know, it's you could use it to lay emphasis. Like if you look at some of my videos where I've used this, you see that it added style to the presentation. Okay, so you could do all that. Okay, good. At the same time you could also rotate the text. If you go to the arrange menu, you'll see, can you see rotate? You click on that, then you have at 90 degrees, you see how the text has rotated. So you choose whichever one that you want to use, depending, I don't know what you might be using it for, but these are features that you can use when you are doing your presentation. Okay, good. The simplicity is always the key in everything that you do, so do not overuse some of this feature, or else your video will just be like a mumbo jumbo video that is full of all sort of things, but yet it is not communicating the real message of the content. Okay, good. Well, you can on your own, you can explore some of the other features that you can find here. They are all in here, but on your own you can explore the different features, some other different features, but this is basically what you need to know to get started. And even no matter how far you go, whether you are an intermediate or an advanced content creator, this is basically all what you need to keep on producing engaging videos. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.